Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Elena. How are you doing? So I hope you're not too hot because it's been real warm, at least here in LA, and it's September. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review and sort of tutorial and some swatches on the beautiful tropical Carnival palette by Tammi and Makeup Revolution. I've been waiting for this one to become available in US, and now it's available at Ulta, 15 bucks. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe, ring the bell, and comment below. And I'll see you in the video. So let's get into the swatches. So first of all, I went to Ulta after going to grocery shop into Walmart yesterday, and I was like, I've got to get this. I've got to get the palette and the foundation. So the foundation was my previous video. As you can see, that's the same look. And the palette is today. So the Tammi, I love Tammi. I love watching her videos because she is right up my alley. She always talks about budget palettes like AliExpress. I love me some AliExpress palettes. So I always wanted to try hers. I know in UK, I think in UK it's like 10 pounds. So here in Ulta it's 15. But you get 18 beautiful shimmers and mattes. So there's quite a bit of mattes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 12 mattes, and it's what is it? It's 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, right? Something like that. I can't calculate. It looks like it's about 7 shimmers there. But I mean, anyway, it looks gorgeous. The eyeshadows are beautiful. Let me swatch them real quick. I'm not gonna go in with names because I already lost the plastic sheet. But let's just dive right into it. I've got a makeup wipe ready to go. So let's go into this top row. So the top row is shimmers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, right? You can't really tell a yellow one. I don't know what happened to it. Let me do a fair swatch. There you go. They're beautiful. So that yellow green, I'm wear it down. This one is real nice. So next we're going to this top 2. So I only got 4 fingers. So top 2 and this 2 over here. Obviously I only got 4 fingers. I could do 5, but I'm not gonna work that hard. So I went from pinky. See that? Oh my god, that looks beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that. These are gorgeous, just gorgeous. And the 3 are shimmers and the yellow one is matte. And the next ones are all mattes from now. So next 4 are these 4 bright ones. They're warm. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm wearing 2 of them, the orange and the red one. Look at that. Again, some of the swatches come out patchy, but I think it's because of the makeup wipe, the moisture. But other than that, they come out great. On your eyes, they're gonna be beautiful. Let me try myself because I think with the makeup wipe, it kind of messes it up. So now we got this 4. I'm gonna go with 3 and 3, the bottom. This 3 here. 1, 2, and 3. Again, I don't know, I suck at swatches. They look better on the eyes than on my arm. Isn't it always like that? The swatches look better on your eyes. My fingers are stupid. So now I'm gonna go with this 3. Green, green. I haven't tried this yet, except for the black. The black I tried. So there. See, these are not very impressive, but again, swatches are different. The black is not real black. It's more like a, I don't know, it's like a soft, it's a soft black, not very dark black. I don't know how to explain it. But overall, it's a beautiful palette. $15, you can't really argue with it. Beautiful tropical shades. You can do kind of a rainbow-ish look. So I did the green under, and I did the yellow and red on top. And these lashes, if you're wondering, I'm wearing them for the first fully stacked Salon Perfect. And that's pre-stacked. I mean, they pre-stack the lashes. Extra volume, easy to apply, reusable, stackable. And I think this is from Walmart. I mean, I got it in Walmart. But this is so beautiful. They're just like extra. They're absolutely gorgeous. Again, I don't think they were that expensive, like $2-3. I love it. Also, I tried the new mascara, the Essence. I finally got my hands on this one in Ulta. So Lash Princess. So this was what, like $3-4? Beautiful. I mean, you can't see because I have eyelashes on, but it's a very good mascara. So whoever said it was good, they're right. So on my lips, I'm wearing Barry M. This one, it's a matte lip. I got this when I was in London. So this is 815. I don't know what shade that is. There is no name on it. So it's kind of a neutral. I like neutrals, nudes. So in the next clip, I'm going to be doing this look, and I'm going to be talking the blendability, and you'll see how it all came together. So keep on watching. Look at all that. Oh my god. I'm so excited about Tammi's palette. I heard mixed opinions. I mean, mostly good, but I like Tammi's channel, and when she herself was talking about it, it was pretty, very pretty. She did a lot of looks alike, so I think it's really working well. It took me no time to do this eye, by the way, the one that's done. No time. So I'm going in. Where's my sheet names? So the sheet is here. So this is called Trini. And this is a bright red right here. This one. So I'm going in, and my favorite brush. See? It's really pretty. I have no complaints. It's bright. It's pigmented. And blends really easy. I love my Revolution stuff. When I went to the store in Ulta yesterday and I saw this palette, I was like, oh my god, it's there. I knew it was gonna be there, but still. And then I saw a bunch of other palettes I'm excited about, but each of them is like $15, so it's gonna add up quickly. So stick with one for now. I'm going in with orange and a similar brush. This one. And the orange name is Spice Island. It's very appropriate. Just above the red. So this is a very soft elf brush. It's really, really good for blending. Look at that blend. It's really, really blends well. The quality of that eyeshadows, they're great. Oh, I'm primed with L'Oreal Infallible, by the way. I find that this one is very matte and it doesn't slip and slide, so my eyelids don't get oily and don't crease. So I want to give this palette a fair chance and do what I usually do. So next I'm going with the, I can't pronounce this. It's Jevert. You can't see the name, but that's the name here. Jevert. I don't know. It's French and it's yellow. There you go. This one, yellow. Another fluffy brush, and this one is from Profusion palette. I like this brush. I keep using it. And by the way, I got, ooh, you're probably blinded right now. I got this mirror on Amazon. So I finally have a real mirror. So the yellow goes above the orange, obviously. I'm drawn to these bright tropical tones. I mean, it's a Carnival tropical palette. It's called Tropical Carnival Eyeshadow Palette. So it's very appropriate. Next time I'll probably have to try the blues and the greens. I've done a lot of blues and greens recently, so I wanted to go with kind of a fiery red look. And again, since I have deep set eyes, I try not to go with the dark tones all the way in, and I go with the yellow. Yellow is gonna brighten up, so it's not gonna give me this darkness in the corner, which I already have a lot of darkness. Now on this eye, I went with the black just to test the black. The blacks can be patchy. I find this one okay. I didn't want to destroy the look because right now it's very bright. So this one, it came out a little muted in the corner. So I don't want to mute it too much because the black, that's gonna do that. It's gonna mute. So let me take another small brush, and that's a Morphe brush. It's small-ish. And here's the black. It kind of looks gray. I don't find it very, very black, but it does, it serves the purpose. Probably if I started with it alone, like first, it's probably gonna be brighter, but I just want to add a little depth, just a little bit. None of these are highlights, so I used a highlighter from a Revolution, Makeup Revolution, what is this, HD Pro Power, there it is, Powder Contour. Sorry, I'm blinding you. So I use this tone. It kind of bluish, sort of blue a little bit, but it's not very pigmented blue, so it's just shiny. So let me go in with black. Just a little bit. Okay, I don't want to overpower red because the red needs its own life. just like that a little bit. And I'm going back with all the other tones, so I'll just keep quiet and blend. So now I'm going to add a little more concealer. So see, on this side, this dual chrome, it's not dual chrome, it's just a shimmer. So let me see. I lost the sheet with the names, I think. Where is it? There it is. So this is a Calypso, and I used greens. It's like a green shimmer, like under my eye here. And then I went into a Calypso, like a lime green yellow here. So the same, this is like a bright shimmer. It's not super foiled, but it works well. So I'm gonna try to make it brighter by using a little more concealer, fresh concealer. The other eye, I did not put extra concealer, I just put it as is. So you can see, even as is, it looks good. So I'll use a little more of a L'Oreal on the brush, just a little bit to give it a tacky base. Okay, so I'm blending this. It's blending very beautifully. I'm not gonna lie, it took a little bit of digs into that lime green eyeshadow, and it built up nicely. See? It looks nice, but it did take a little bit. It comes out nice off from a palette, but it's not extra shiny, if you know what I mean. But for the price, 15 bucks, it's a great palette. It's 15 colors. So I'm going to finish my face makeup and I'll be right back. So I'm back with a full makeup look and my eyes came out gorgeous. Bravo, Tammi. I'm so glad Tammi's makeup palette came to US. I've been looking at it from her videos. I was like, oh my God, it's so nice. So I'm so happy. Thank you, Tammi, for bringing it here. Thank you, Makeup Revolution. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. And it blends beautifully. It worked great for me. It works different for everyone. I don't know what you expect from it. The only foiled one I used here and here. They're not extra shiny, but they're very beautiful, see? So I'm happy. I'm gonna do more looks, probably with the blue ones and the green ones in the future, and I'm gonna report back. So guys, check out the links below for Tammi's palette, available at Ulta for $15 right now. And subscribe, comment, and like. Let me know what you think. Do you own it? Do you like this? I think it's beautiful. Let me know what you think. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.